And here they are, guys. In my opinion, the 4 best new castings for 2019 Hot Wheels set. The Mclaren Senna, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the Bugatti Chiron, and the Aston Martin Vulcan. Let's go ahead and get a little close-up look at each one of them, and then we are going to race them down the track. First, the Mclaren Senna, the long-awaited Mclaren Senna. We've been waiting for this one for so long. Finally, it came out. Actually, all of these we've been waiting for. Who am I kidding here? But the Mclaren Senna came out in this kind of like bluish gray color. It's kind of different looking. In my opinion, I prefer the orange one, which I do have here beside me. So there is the 2 color releases for them. I love the McLaren orange color to it though. Looks great with those gray wheels. We'll put that aside for a second. Then we had the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Such a cool looking casting. Love all the angle, the look, the diffuser right there of this casting, the chrome wheels, the gray that they used for it, the Tampa work. It just looks fantastic. Such a good casting. This one I think was a little bit more underrated compared to the other ones. I think the other ones were more sought after and a little bit more exciting, but who am I to say? The Centenario from Lamborghini is always popular. But the Bugatti Chiron, quite possibly the most collectible, most popular casting of 2019. And this one came out in this gorgeous looking, kind of darker blue color, but it's got some pearl-esque to it. And then the pin stripe, kind of highlight stripe that they've got in silver for that C, the classic Bugatti. Great Tampa work in the front. And on the back, we got some nice highlights and stuff as well. This is such a cool casting. I can't wait to see what the recolor of this casting is going to be. And our newest one, which is quite possibly the most underrated one actually, is the Aston Martin Vulcan, but in my opinion, probably one of the best ones of this bunch here. Big wing on the back, great looking from the back. I love the gloss black roof line that it has. It's all darkened up there. The glossy wheels on there as well look fantastic. Great looking from the front, the Tampa work and all that as well. And the little Aston Martin logo that you can see right there. Such a cool casting. Very, very nice. All 4 of these castings highly collectible for this year for the 2019 Hot Wheels set. But we are going to find out now which one of these castings is the fastest. Let's head on over to the track. All right, guys, we're at the track. We've got all 4 hypercars lined up. McLaren Senna, Aston Martin Vulcan over there, and we've got the Bugatti Chiron and the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster there. We'll do 3 races. Whichever car wins the most out of 3 races is our champion. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Lamborghini Centenario that takes race number 1, but we're all set for race number 2. Let's see who's gonna take it in race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster seems to be running away with this one. It's won the first 2 races. Let's see if it can finish them off and sweep them for all 3 races. On your mark, get set, go! Well, it's the Lamborghini Centenario that wins 2 out of 3 races. The Senna takes the last race to win 1 of them, but it's all Lamborghini for this one, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite Hot Wheels hypercar from 2019.